Hello friends, welcome back. The TS Education Department has made one more surprise announcement today. The state government is planning to reopen educational institutions in a phased manner from August 16. Sources said the proposals seeking permission to reopen educational institutions had been submitted by the Education Department to the government and the file is awaiting Chief Minister's nod. If the Chief Minister says okay, they are ready to open the education institutions, schools and colleges from August 16 onwards. The plan is to reopen institutions for students initially from class 8th and above in schools, besides all colleges and universities. Online classes are going on now. So the cabinet, which met on June 19, announced the lifting of lockdown completely in the state from June 20 and allowed the reopening of all institutions from July 1st, including schools. But later on, it was postponed. The reopening was postponed. But under these circumstances, already Prime Minister yesterday announced that coming 100 days are very crucial. They are going to be very crucial. And experts are warning us of the third wave, the arrival of third wave, and already many people are saying that doctors, scientists, experts, WHO people are also saying that different types of variants have entered almost all the countries, even India also. So under these circumstances, is it possible to reopen the schools and colleges from August 16? Highly impossible. It is highly impossible. In the meantime, the department is going to collect the opinion from the parents in Maharashtra manner. Maharashtra Education Department also did the same thing last month. They also did the same thing. They gathered opinion from the parents regarding the reopening of schools and colleges, and majority of the parents, they were willing to send their wards to the schools. They gave the green signal for the reopening of the schools and colleges. So in a similar manner, our education department is also going to gather opinion from the parents. But to reopen the schools and colleges from August 16 is not a wise decision under these circumstances. So it is not possible practically also. Then why the education department gives this kind of confusing announcements? Why it makes this kind of confusing announcements, surprising announcements? God only knows. Okay. Thank you very much, friends, for watching my videos. We meet again very soon with the latest updates. See you very soon. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Jai Hind.